Rafflesia is very special because it doesn't have it's a plant, but it doesn't have a leaf. It doesn't have roots. It doesn't have trunks. So, at tinatawag siyang parasite. Magnanakaw siya. What it does is, didikit siya. This is your tetrastigma, a relative of your grapes. Who here loves grapes? Yan. Kaya lang, itong grapes na to, hindi natin makakain. So, but this is a relative of your grapes from the Vitaceae family. Ang gagawin ng Rafflesia ay tutubo siya out of the trunk or out of the vine. Tapos makikikuha siya ng pagkain. That's why it's a parasite. Now, this particular vine here, during the pandemic, we have a research site in Nueva Ecija, Pantabangan, where the smallest among the giants was found.